guys, so welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I am Whisker M. So as you see, I'm going straight to the video. My video will be about how to retain hair length and keep your hair moisturized all week. So this is day 4 after wash days, and I wanted to show you guys the steps that I do to keep my hair moisturized all week. So most of the time when it's time to re-moisturize my hair, I hit the shower and I try to wet my hair but not completely damp. So as you guys see, I'll pour the water on my hand first and then I put it on my hair. Then I squeeze it and I pull my hair. Squeeze and pull, trying to take out the excess hair, the hair that is shedding at the end. This method is great because I take hot showers, so the hot steam opened up my pores and it opened up my hair cuticles, and that just allowed the moisture to enter my hair. Cream and oil will penetrate the hair better, especially that my hair is low porosity hair. This is a great way for low porosity hair because products tend to just sit on top of our hair instead of it actually penetrating. Heat and steam is always a plus, guys. Hey guys, so now that we out of the shower and our hair is semi wet, it's time to moisturize. You cannot leave your hair wet and expect it to be moisturized because the hair will dry very fast. So I'm gonna use this. And guys, I like it. Like, you do not need a lot of this to moisturize your hair. Like, a little goes a long way. And I used it at least 3 times and I love it. So this is my cream, and the oil that I'm using is jojoba jojoba oil, okay? And I got it from Trader Joe's. I don't know if you guys could see it. I got it from Trader Joe's, and it's a light oil, and light oils is like definitely great for like low porosity hair. And that's it. So let's get straight to it. Section it little by little. This is what I do like every 4 days. I'll just like to make sure that my hair is well moisturized. So like 4 days of wash day, I moisturize my hair, and this is what I'm doing. Like, I show you guys the shower. Now this is what I do when it's time to put cream and oil on it. Section, and that's it. So this is what I really need. And then, and you see guys, and make sure you don't forget the ends, and make sure you don't forget the edges. Make sure the edges is well moisturized. So this is what I do. And make sure you get the scalp as well. And then my oil, I don't use a lot, just a little dab. And back at it. Squeeze, pull, squeeze, pull. Pull lightly though, squeeze, pull, just making sure you cover everything. And make sure you get the ends, because the ends is more important. It's the most important part of your hair. And then don't forget your scalp and the edges. And that's about it. That's how I moisturize my hair. And I do this every 4 days. And like the next 4 days, I'm gonna do the same thing, but the only difference is that I'm gonna untwist these and retwist them. Like, I like to have a fresh protective style after 1 week of my hair wash. So yeah. So this section is well moisturized. See the end? I don't know, the ends kind of look dusty, guys. So let me put a little bit more moisturize. Now this side is all moisturized. Now it's off to that side. So once my hair is all well moisturized, all the liquid, cream, and oils in my hair, I like to give myself a nice massage. Ciao. This is like the best part. Like, I love head massage, and it's so good. Like, it promotes hair growth and it stimulates the scalp, so that's a plus. Usually I do it, I try to do it for 5 minutes, but my arms be tired, y'all. So I do it like at least 2 or 3 minutes, and after you finish, your scalp is like tingly, like you put peppermint oil on it. You will feel like tingliness, like that's how I know it's working. Massage the edges too, you know, because the edges need to grow, okay? Can't forget them edges. And that's it. So this is how I keep my hair moisturized after like 4 days of wash day, liquid, cream, oil. Every 4 days I re-moisturize it because low porosity hair tend to dry very fast. So this is just my way, guys, and I want to show you. It's a great way. Like, it's been making my hair grow a lot, and I just wanted to show you guys my tips and tricks. And this is day 4 after wash day, so I will be showing you guys week after wash days what I do. So keep watching, y'all. Okay, so this is a week of me with this protective hairstyle, and I'm about to untwist them just to retwist them again. I like to have fresh twists after a week because my hair tends to be matted and tangled when I leave this protective style more than a week. So yeah, guys. So the first thing I did was, like, after 4 days, I'll show you guys in the shower how I, like, you know, wet my hair. Option number 2, you know, I just spray my hair, make sure it's nice and wet, but not damp though. Don't damp it. Just a little spray. Make sure you don't forget the edges and the back too. Can't forget the naps. All right, so now it's nice and coated wet. All right, and I will be using the same product that I show you guys, which is the Cantu leave-in conditioner, and also the jojoba oil from Trader Joe's. All right, so what I do is always work section by section. So these are the 2 twists I'm going to retwist using my clippy. So what I do is just, you know, unravel by just going the direction where the twist is folded, but like unfolded. So like the twist is folded this way, so I'm just unfolding it that way. If you guys understand that, this is how my twist comes out. And then I separate the twist. Okay, so this is how we look. So now it's time to put product on it. I don't use much, just a little bit, because a little goes a long way. This product is is good. I'm making sure I coat everything. Also, I get the ends. Never want to forget the ends, the edges. Now it's time for the jojoba oil. And guys, don't mind my board, it's my vision board. So and then after that, I use my white tooth comb. This is my detangling comb. I always use a white tooth comb. Like, I don't use nothing else. And then I start from the bottom. Work my way up to the top. And that's it. And we twist. And I just put a little bit more cream for the ends, you know, to give it some loving. Okay. And that's it. And pull the extra hair. And that's about it, guys. So this is how my hair always stay moisturized throughout the whole week. This is how I detangle my hair. I leave my hair like this most of the time. Like if I'm doing like a photo shoot or something like that, I will put on a wig and then I will have that wig on for like probably a few hours and then I take it off. So this is mostly my hairstyle 95% of the time. And that's it. And guys, this is like so easy. I really faithfully started doing this like in September 2020, and like I seen a big change, guys. Like just moisturizing your hair every 4 days, making sure it's, you know, well properly loved and taken care of, and you will see a big difference. Like your hair will appreciate it. Because if you don't have patience, this method will wear you out, honestly. But it's like so beneficial for your hair, guys. More cream for the ends. I'm just now seeing this part. Woo. I'm like in love with my curls. Like, it's so cute. I'm glad I decided to go natural, guys. I've been natural for a whole year. I honestly started becoming natural because my hair was just so damaged with dyes and perm. And like after I dye my hair and then perm it the next day, like all my edges fell out, guys. And after that I was like, no, my hair is not healthy at all. I'm about to just stop with the chemicals and products and I'm gonna go natural. And ever since then, guys, I just love my hair more. Oh yeah, one thing I want to mention, guys, like I do this after every 4 days, like I said, and then I do it again for another 4 days, and then when it's week 2, I rewash my hair and do the process all over. So I try to keep my hair routine pretty simple, because that's the best way to do it, is to keep it simple, because you don't want your hair journey to be difficult, guys. Like, no. Okay, guys, so this side is done. So now I'm off to the next side. And guys, I just want to show you my shedding. This is how much I shed a week. Like I said, I keep this protective style in for like a week, and then like I retwist them again, and that's how much I shed. And this has been the same shedded since September. And there's only one side though, so I'm gonna show you the whole shedding once I do the whole head. Shedding the same amount of hair since I've been starting this hair routine September 2020. So, you know, guys, get on it, keep moisturizing your hair. Make sure your moisturizer is ready, because you gotta constantly keep moisturizing your hair, guys, because that's how your hair is gonna be, you know, healthy. That's how you're gonna retain length. Like your length is gonna get longer. Like, who don't want healthy moisturized hair? Like, woo, it's the definition for me. Okay, stop playing with me. Like, this is the shedding for the left side of my head, and this is the shedding for the right side. It's not that much. I'm about to put them together. So after I'm done, you know, head massage. So you cannot forget the head massage, guys. Okay, so after the head massage and you moisturize, your is done, sis. So thank you for watching, guys. This is how I moisturize my hair. I'll show you guys my tricks and tips on how to retain hair length. And thank you for tuning in, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Ciao.